Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? Today we are going to share a recipe of veg manchurian, which is personally my favorite. Let's see the quick ingredients. I have taken some onion, some cabbage, some beetroot, spring onion, carrot and chopped capsicum. To this I am going to add some salt as per your taste, and then I am adding 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. I am taking 2 teaspoons of corn flour for binding and for fry. To this I am going to add 2 teaspoons of Maida and mix everything well to make small Manchurian balls out of this. Just like this. We will heat some oil and then we will fry our Manchurian balls. Do not disturb the balls until it is crisp from one side, otherwise your balls will spread out. Just like this. You can see how crisp the balls are looking. Full of veggies, right? We will keep the prepared balls aside and fry the rest balls. That's it. Into a kadhai, we will take some oil and I'm adding finely chopped garlic and finely chopped ginger to it. We'll fry it for at least 1 to 2 minutes on medium flame. In Chinese recipe, garlic and ginger are the main ingredients which increases the flavor. To that I am going to add finely chopped spring onions and roughly chopped capsicum and onions, which is the basic ingredients in any Indian Chinese recipe. We'll stir fry these vegetables for at least 2 to 3 minutes. To this I am going to add in my sauces. I am going to add 2 teaspoons of soya sauce, 2 teaspoons of green chili sauce. Instead of green chili sauce, you can also add red chili sauce. And 1 teaspoon of chili vinegar. I'm adding some salt as per taste. And 1 teaspoon of sugar. 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Mix everything well by adding some water. I have added more water to it to increase the gravy consistency. Let it to boil. To increase the thickness of the gravy, I have taken the corn flour mixture. I have taken 1 teaspoon of corn flour and few water to it, and I have added the mixture in the sauce. And then finally we will add in our Manchurian balls. Mix everything gently so that the Manchurian balls do not break up. Let the sauce get inside the Manchurian balls. Let it to simmer for at least 2 to 3 minutes on slow flame. You can see the Manchurian balls have been plumped up a little bit. And that's it guys, our Manchurian is ready. This was my first attempt and trust me guys, it turned out to be very delicious. Garnish it with some freshly coriander leaves. Enjoy guys, please try it out and let me know in my comments how was it. If you like my recipes, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye. Enjoy.